I'm here to commission a multi-million project for the people of Amango. A multi-million street light. I present to you, come 2027.
My governor, you commission a street light for us. This community.
No, it's not. I'm checking around.
My governor, thank you. Thank you.
Hey! Jesus! Romney, I'm not touching you. If you touch me, I will not do.
Hey! Yeah! This is what we touch life now.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So, my people, I'm here to make you guys laugh. So, please, while watching, make sure to subscribe, make sure to drop nice comments, and share this video. It is very, very important. You feel me? So, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Chinedu.
Emeka. I beg, let me transfer 15. I need them for market now.
I don't know when they cook now. You should be able to transfer.
Oh, no vex. Please, no bag. Okay, I forget my purse for house. My wife. Let me transfer. I'll go give you back if I come back.
Oh, you want your purse for house?
You go bring the purse.
Okay, no,
You
go
bring the purse. Come from.
Emeka, so you check from us. Carry purse, come give me for market because of 15K.
I don't understand. I don't give you money now. Bye bye.
Emeka,
No money,
now
sir.
you too stingy. Only God know where I done this kind of you.
Whom you want? Whom you?
Get
why?
You know the fear elder.
Crazy guy.
What did you do?
Hold that phone to get you full portrait.
Thank you so much for that phone. Mommy, Mommy! Look, Daddy. You have the guts to carry Fiki into this house. Your mouth. Look at now, can't you see the resemblance? She's my younger sister. Get your pants right. So every time, are you not tired, my dear? I'm fine. I was only one you boo. Every day for the thief, one day for the farmer. Drink water.
You go catch her, no worries. You go catch her.
Oh shit, not good.
I got the safest.
Hey babe, you have to give me money to go do my hair today.
Oh, that was today. I forgot now. You have to remind me now. I'm doing it now.
Really?
Oh shit, not good.
Oh shit, man.
Oh my god, I'm looking for clothes.
Okay.
Don't miss me too much, yeah?
You, they go now, they go.
She keep her phone, oh.
Babe, I need to start going shit. Are you okay? Who was the bag?
Oh, my laundry guy.
Oh, the laundry guy?
Yeah.
Okay, now I need to start going. Oh, I forgot my bag.
Now I'm going to enter now.
Oh my God.
My phone.
You, they go now, they go.
Oh, man. You get luck.
Make sure you
You get luck. Maybe I don't go jump outside. You get luck. Wow. Hey, this is keke.
I saw you coming out of that compound. Do you live there? No, my baby stays there. Your boyfriend? Same here, my boyfriend lives there.
God have mercy upon us.
Mama! Do you want to have a life?
Get luck.
So tell me about yourself.
story of my life. You see, I'm the first daughter of my family, the first child. And I have my younger siblings. They couldn't further their education because we don't have no money. And my dad, he lost his job 10 years ago. My mom, she has leg pain. I'm literally the breadwinner, but I don't have bread.
Poor man begin. Hey.
Touching story. Oh man, God will help you.
Where are you going? You didn't even say anything.
First son, no, they date first daughter.
What about the drink?
Go pay by yourself now. Make me go pay for my own for front.
This is the first
Thinking that
son.
this one, me, I go to escape poverty.
You gotta trust man. How down?
Most girls, they do that.
It's high time we change some narrative in Africa. The way Nollywood paints some things, no be so it be for real life. Now follow me, carry the camera, come.
Carry the camera, come.
Just Nine. Good afternoon. I did do adventure and documentary. They believe say anybody where they like this, for village they give poison. They believe say anybody where get this kind of behavior, a wicked person. That is just Nollywood. This is just style of beer that he choose to keep. Okay, this is his palm wine. I'm just trying to show them something. This is palm wine.
What's going on here?
I don't drink them. Did anything happen to me?
You just said I'm not poison.
Dissolve!
Did anything?
Dissolve.
They're not poison.
Nine. Oh, you're eating your mania.
Man, don't poison you, don't worry.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, they struggle.
You see your lives? No, you see your lives? Both of you are very stupid and useless. This early morning you woke up, instead of you to do something reasonable with your lives, your head dancing and doing rubbish. Every morning you will not do something to add value to your life, so that men will see you and marry you. Tomorrow night you complain that husband did not come. You're here doing tip-top.
Yes, Papa is not tip-top, he's TikTok.
Shut up your mouth, my friend. Now, I'm going out to look for a job. Before I come back, I want both of you to go inside the house. That house is scattered. Arrange everywhere. Clean, wash, tidy the whole place. If I come back here, you've not done it, this house will not contain me and you. This house will not contain both of us in this house. What nonsense? Make me shout all the time, make complain. Not if you're doing anything for me in this house.
Papa, me, I be baddie, oh. I be baddie.
What is that girl? She's really fine. They never do anything. This one where you come back, they repair the house by yourself. They expect woman.
Who go ask her with you? Me no bless you with the nonchalant. Okay. Papa, what's happened? I pick counter.
God has finally blessed you. I've gotten a job in government house. Go to that woman's shop. Let her give you drink. We are about to celebrate my new job. Go! Hey, this is when I want to dance.
What did happen now?
Who cheers first? Who cheers?
Sorry. So my children are so. As I used to go work this morning, now somebody call me. Say we have to do cleaner for government house. Now me I no go sabi clean. Government house, now I no go clean. I say I go do am. Just like that, I start taking the work. But they say they will go inspect my house to know if I sabi clean well. And make me rush, come back, come use my hand, clean now. Every other now they shine. The woman said she dey come in 10 minutes to come inspect the house. Man, come on, 10 minutes, don't reach.
Orange juice.
What is going on here? Why is my call ringing in your hand?
Hey, Papa, see, no verse. The thing be say, we no confuse send you message, say, may you go clean house now. Now, I will say, may we give you job for phone, may you come hurry, come clean the house.
Papa, you say every time you go to shop for person, clean house, do this, do that. Papa, she do, I'm now waiting to you.
Oh, they struggle.
Oh! Oh my God!
Agree to boss.
No be lie, yo.
No be you. Now men, we don't forget men for that side.
Who you the greet for that side?
I greet you, boss. People where they greet, we they see them.
No be lie.
Yeah, that's the fresh. Now just the fast.
I know fresh, yo.
I beg you, forget that thing. Why your pass body shock?
Why I no pass that body? If I pass that body, you don't go know.
Now so now they talk. Now so now they talk. Now come they low key. Why I don't pass now?
I don't low key. Why I don't pass my body? Which love? If I pass my body, you don't go know. I don't go the cruise, huh? You know.
What's happened? Why your face they change? Now what's this up now?
Time to reach one, I need to cry.
Cry.
My pains.
You know say real men don't cry.
You know they get to you.
My brother, they get to me, we they survive. Now why real men don't cry? See, like this, you supposed to show. See in your head with the show no sign of weakness.
You know? Now for real men.
Yeah,
bad guy.
You fine. You never give me something before, man.
I won't deal with the fakes. Man, I go deal with fake men. Man, fake crack my pains. You get to everybody.
Yeah, calm down. I know they lose guard now.
I don't lose guard. I want to cry. I'm on my guy. You know say breathe. Then you.
Fine girl. Please, can I have your number?
Sorry, I don't give my numbers to strangers.
Fine girl. Please, can I have your number?
No time to waste time.
I'm here to commission a multi-million project for the people of Amango. A multi-million street life. I present to you, come 2027.
My governor, you commission a street life for us. This community.
No, it's not. I'm checking around.
My governor, thank you. Thank you.
Jesus.
This is my business, touch life now.
Oh man, this guy move.
If you take him there, if you smoke you book.
The community leader couldn't hold his tears as he went on his knee to thank the governor. For the first time in their life, they witnessed what good governance means.
You know, when God said, let there be light, it was me, Governor Amuneke, that God sent to people of Amango to give them light.
Votes Chief Amuneke come 2027.
I went to the recorder when I don't really saw my governor. Hey, Omo. Go, see creativity.
Burn the witch!
Jesus. I have a spell that will make APC lose election 2027.
Release the witch!
So this is the plan. We open a new political party. We make him our presidential candidate.
So who will be the vice?
DDM, presidential candidate.
Scott Iguma. But for this plan to work, we need to make a sacrifice.
Let's have it.
Are you playing?
Bon checkwas. Oh my God.
Wait, you know who like doggy?
Hey!
Because
God have mercy upon us.
You follow yourself, God. Don't start again. Are you
What? What's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? Don't you know how men are trash?
But I thought I am different.
Jotter, you don't bring another flag.
Oh, relax. It's not that deep.
Jesus! Help me!
Cash or card? Card.
I'm sorry, can I pay for you?
Oh yeah, sure. What's the meaning of this rubbish? You're not even a real man.
You got revenge. You got revenge for another woman's side.